Hello, everyone. This is Steve Afasi from Elite Business Insurance, and I wanted to discuss with you a little bit of information about landscaping insurance. What kind of coverages you're going to need and why it's important for your landscaping business to be covered sufficiently. So, as a landscaper, if you have a landscaping company, you're going to need the first and foremost coverage you're going to need to perform work. God forbid you damage somebody's property or if somebody gets injured in your work area, is going to be general liability insurance. Elite Business Insurance, we're a full service agency, so we take your information. Landscapers in particular are usually based off of payroll. So the more payroll that you have, the more employees that you have, the more work you're going to be performing. So what we do is we take your information, we shop it out through all of our carriers. We have direct markets, we have brokers, and then we have all those prices. We have them underbid against each other. So we try to find you the best coverage for the best price. So we'll cover you for the general liability, which would cover the exposure while you're performing work. If any of your employees get injured, they need a workers' comp policy. So if you have in the construction field, if you have one or more employees, you're going to need workers' comp. We could make sure you're covered for that. God forbid one of your employees gets hurt, you don't want them to sue you. The average workers' comp claim pays out $35,000. You want to make sure you have the insurance to cover you for that. Besides that, commercial auto insurance. A lot of time, you landscapers are going to be pulling around a trailer with your lawn mowers and your weed whackers and all the landscaping equipment that you need. So you're going to need a commercial auto policy in order to perform work and drive your vehicle from point A to point B to pull your equipment with you. If you don't have a commercial auto policy and you're using your vehicle on a personal auto policy and you get into an accident while performing work, there's a great chance that the insurance company will not pay out the claim because you need a commercial auto policy. So as a landscaper, you're going to need the general liability. You're going to need the commercial auto. You may need some sort of, depending on how big the job is, you may need a construction bond. You may need equipment coverage to cover the value of your equipment, of your lawnmowers. God forbid it gets stolen, it gets broken, it gets damaged. You want coverages for that. So a lot of times also a landlord or anyone you're performing work will require a proof of coverages. They'll want to be listed as an additional insured. So we make sure that you're covered for all the loose ends. I've had landscapers in the past where they've knocked a lawnmower into a telephone pole. The telephone pole's fallen down and damaged the car. I've had cases where someone's whacking weeds, it goes through someone's window. It's that many of those cases of what stems up, but you want to make sure you're protected properly and you want to make sure you're paying the best insurance price possible for the coverages that you're paying for. So give us a call. We'll make sure that you're getting the best bang for your buck. Elite Business Insurance, we specialize in the construction field and commercial insurance, and we do have a niche for landscapers. We could package everything together for you. We could get you an outstanding price. Give us a call, 1-800-850-8819, Elite Business Insurance. We are elite.